you are welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for being part of this challenge. Keep it up, you'll definitely get there. You might not see the results physically now, but definitely changes are going on within, and so it's just a matter of time. Okay, today on our challenge we are going to have some omelette and bulletproof tea. Yes, omelette and bulletproof tea, and you are going to love this omelette preparation. You are really going to love it. So we are going to use 5 eggs. No, I am not eating all. I have some squad here, they are going to join me, so don't say, hey, I'm going to eat all the 5 eggs. No, 5 eggs. We have some salt, mixed spices. I have some chili pepper here. This one is a medium size of tomatoes, 1 medium size. I have a mixture of green, red and yellow bell pepper, 1 medium size each, a medium size of onion, and then spring onions. I also have butter here I'm going to use for the bulletproof as well as the omelette. We are also going to make use of white and black pepper salt solution here. Okay, so the first thing to do is to separate our egg whites and then our egg yolk. Okay, so this is our egg whites we are going to whisk, and then this is our egg yolk. If you don't have food processor to do the egg white whisking, you can use your hand whisk or electric whisk. The only thing is that the hand whisk will take time. Okay, so put in a bit of black and white pepper. A little of salt to it. Okay, so we are going to whisk it. So for our egg yolk, I'm going to add a bit of sauce solution. Okay, and then I'll give it a little bit of white and black pepper. Then I'll add small of my mixed spices. So I'll whisk everything together. Okay, so I have extra 5 egg yolk here. I use the egg white for something else, and I'm going to add this extra 5 egg yolk to my 5 egg yolks here. Okay, so you just have to whisk it very well. So I have 1 teaspoon of butter in the pan. Okay, 1 teaspoon of butter in the pan. Make sure you use unsalted butter. I added a bit of bell peppers, spring onions, and my tomatoes. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into my pan. Everything. Okay, so when you pour the egg into your pan, let's cover it and lower it. My camera went off, my phone went low without knowing. Cover it and lower it and let it cook for some few minutes. Then after this we are going to add our egg white to it and just spread it on it just like that. Make sure it covers the yellow one perfectly. Then add your veggies to it, the rest of the veggies to it, and make sure it goes in very well. Everything inside, press them in. Then cover it and let it cook on a low heat. So you can see the steam in the saucepan. So that steam is going to cook the egg white, the upper one, very well for you. Okay, so let's check. This is about 2 minutes. So let's check so far, and everything is nice in there, looking beautiful. It's ready. It's ready. So we are going to take it out. I'm going to use 2 of this. So you see our omelette. So this is our omelette. Yes. Check the under. See, very yellow. You will love this. It tastes so good. If you give this a try, you will never regret ever trying. Okay, so for our bulletproof tea, we are going to do it in a blender. Okay, so this is my green tea. I have already boiled my green tea very well. So I'll pour it into the blender. I'm not going to pour everything because it's hot. If you pour everything in and you blend it, it's going to pop up. So just a little, and then the rest can be added later. Okay, I'm going to add my sweetener to it. Then I'll add my butter to it. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter, melted butter. You can choose to add almond milk to it, but I'm not adding almond milk. I'm doing it like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend it very well. Okay, so this is my tea. When you blend it, it gives you that milk shade, and the taste is so good. So I'll pour it into my cup, and then I'm going to add the rest of the green tea to it, and I'll add water to it. Okay, so this is our omelette and bulletproof tea. I'm going to serve myself, and this looks like pizza. Pizza in a plate. Okay, so let's serve ourselves. Oh my goodness, very thick under the egg yolk. You are going to love this. Yes. So, like pizza. Okay, I'm going to cut another one. Oh my goodness. Let me add another slice to it for myself. So this is it for me, and this is okay. Portion control is very necessary in this journey. Even though it's OMAD, but please consider the portions too. Okay, so this is it for today. Please don't forget to add exercise to it. Get your flat tummy water, drink a lot of water, and you will definitely get it. Thanks so much for being part of today's challenge. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, share the videos, and also like and leave a comment. Let's do this together. Thanks very much. Bye bye.
Send me straight the way I'm my man. I saw me booby. My name is hey, yeah, me not don't say. Send me straight, say to name.